welcome back again to another Java short tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to show how to create and use a combo box in Java Swing. And for that I've already created a little start application based on a previous application. So let me show that first. So in this application you can see a label and a submit button, and I'm going to use this label actually to display some introduction text and to later show the value that is selected in the combo box, and a button to which is going to read the value from the combo box. Okay, so let's go into the code. So if we want to create a combo box, first thing we need to do is declare a combo box, and especially if we are going to read values, we need to declare the combo box globally. So that's J combo box. Let's just call it AMT box, and don't forget the import. So then inside my code, near the submit button, I'm going to initialize this combo box. So this.amt box equals new J combo box, and this combo box is going to be added to JPanel number 2, which I've already created as part of my layout. So about JPanels you can refer to my one of my previous videos. So it's added to JPanel number 2, and if I run this, you will see there's a combo box here with no values. Okay, so how do we attach values? Well, there's a few ways you can do that, but the easiest method is to just create a string array, for example AMT values, which contains all the values I want to have in there as string. So since this is about topping up money, I could say, well, $10, $20, $30, and $40. And this array of values can be attached via the JComboBox constructor. So I'm going to provide that array as a value in the JComboBox constructor. So now if I run this, you'll actually see all the values I've declared in the array in the combo box. Okay, now about reading the value that is selected. So for the submit button, I have already created a action listener over here as a inner class. So what I'm going to do in this action listener is I'm going to read the value of the combo box and then display it in the label that up until this moment just showed the text choose your top-up option. So that's JLBL choice. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, inside my action listener I'm going to refer to my combo box. So that will be AMT box. AMT box dot get selected item, which could be any type of object. So therefore it returns an object, but in this case I want to have the string value, so I'm going to say toString and read this value into a string called value. There we go. And then I'm going to display it inside my label. So that would be the JLBL choice label. Dot set text and then set the value. Alright, so now let's run it. Okay, so choose a top-up options. Let's choose 30. So now if I press submit, the value of 30 appears here. So if I choose 40 and press submit, the value of 40 appears here. So that's how you create a combo box, and that's how you read the value of the combo box. There are a few more other methods with which you can attach values to a combo box and read from a combo box. I will probably spend another video talking about that in the future. But for now I'd like to say, see you next time.